When do cats go into heat? Cats are one of the most popular and cute pets. But they have a lot of complicated habits and traits that their owners need to know about. One of these things is a process called going into heat. In this video, we'll talk about when and how to tell when a cat is in heat. What does heat mean? Heat, which is also called estrus, is the time when a female cat enters sexual maturity and has the most ability to have kittens. The female cat's body goes through hormonal changes during this time, which usually means that she has started her breeding cycle. The heat cycle is shown by female cats change how they act and how their bodies work during the heat cycle. Here are some of the most usual signs of a cat in heat. 1. Vuasi. One of the most obvious signs that a cat is in heat is that it is making more noise. When a female cat is in heat, she will often meow more often and louder. Their sounds can get higher in pitch and last longer, which is how they draw male cats. 2. Being restless. When they are in heat, cats are often very nervous and fidgety. They might run around the house or have trouble sitting still. This restlessness is a way for them to get noticed and show that they are ready to mate. 3. Behavior that shows affection. Cats can be reserved sometimes, but when they are in their heat cycle, they may be very friendly. They may rub against furniture, items, or even their owners to get attention and touch. 4. Too much grooming. When they are in heat, some cats clean themselves too much, especially around their genitalia. People think that they do this to keep themselves clean for possible mates. 5. Rolling and posing. When a female cat is in heat, she might roll on the ground and get into a mating position by lifting her back legs and moving her tail to the side. 6. More trips to the bathroom. When they are in heat, cats tend to urinate more often than normal. This can be a way for them to show where they live and get the attention of possible mates. 7. To get male cats' attention. Having male cats around your house may be the most important sign that it's spring. Male cats can smell the pheromones that a female cat in heat gives off from a long way away, and they will be pulled to where she is. When does heat happen? When a cat goes into heat for the first time can depend on many things, such as its breed, its genes, and its surroundings. But in general, most female cats will have their first heat when they are between 5 and 9 months old. Some may go into heat as early as 4 months, while others may not do so until they are over a year old. Cat owners need to know how to tell when their cats are in heat, because an unspayed cat can go into heat more than once a year. If you don't want your cat to have babies, you should have her fixed so she doesn't get pregnant without your permission, and so she doesn't act differently when she's in heat. Cats go through heat cycles, also called estrus, which show when they are ready to have babies. The number, length, and timing of these heat cycles can be different for each cat, but there are some general trends to keep in mind. When do cats go into heat? How often, and for how long? 1. How often? Most cats go into heat more than once a year, especially if they haven't been fixed or neutered. Most cats can have kittens from the beginning of spring to the end of fall, though this depends on where you live. Until they get pregnant, female cats may go into heat every 2 to 3 weeks during this time. 2. Age at which it starts. Between 5 and 9 months, cats generally become sexually mature and start having their first heat cycles. But some can have their first heat as early as 4 months, while others may not have their first heat for more than a year. It can be different based on the breed, the genes, and the environment. 3. How long? Most of the time, the heat cycle lasts between 4 and 7 days. but it can last anywhere from 3 to 14 days. During this time, a female cat may show signs of being in heat, like making noise, being active, and acting more loving. If the cat doesn't get pregnant or mate, she will generally stop being in heat for a short time before going through another heat cycle. 4 changes with the seasons. Some cats, especially those who live in places with different seasons, may have more noticeable heat cycles in the spring and summer. During the winter months, these cycles may happen less often or even stop. 5. Pregnancy throws off cycles. If a female cat gets pregnant during her heat cycle, she won't go into heat again until she has given birth to her kittens and weaned them. About 6 to 8 weeks after the kittens are born, the heat waves usually start up again. It's important to remember that these are just general rules, and that each cat's heat cycle may be different. Also, if a female cat is spayed or neutered, she will never go into heat again, and won't have any more of these rounds. Spaying and neutering cats are also good for their health and behavior, and they help control the number of pets. Talking to a vet is the best way to get correct information about your cat's heat cycle and reproductive health. A vet can give you advice that is specific to your pet's needs and situation. When a cat is in heat, it may act in ways that are hard for both the cat and the person who owns it. Here are some things owners can do to deal with their cat's heat cycle and make it more comfortable. When a cat is in heat, what should the owner do? 1. Sexing or neutering, the best and most sensible way to deal with a cat's heat cycle in the long run is to have it spayed, for females, or neutered, for males. If a female cat is spayed, she won't go into heat and will be less likely to get pregnant or have health problems. Neutering a male cat can make him less protective and less likely to wander. 2. Stay indoors. If you don't want to breed an intact female cat, one that hasn't been fixed, it's best to keep her inside during her heat cycle. This keeps male cats from being attracted to her and lowers the chances of her getting pregnant, fighting, or getting hurt. 3. Give them something to do. When a cat is in heat, it can get antsy and nervous. Giving them things and time to play can help keep them from acting on their hormones. Puzzle feeders and toys that let you play with them can be especially good. 4. Comfort and paying attention. When a cat is in heat, she may want more love and care. During this time, giving your cat warmth, petting, and gentle cuddling can help them feel less stressed. But don't give them too much to do, or they might become more sensitive. 5. Make the environment quiet. When they are in heat, some cats like to be in a quiet, low-stress place. Give your cat a safe, comfortable place to go when they need some alone time. 6. Talk to your veterinarian about. Talk to your vet if your cat's heat cycle makes her too uncomfortable or changes how she acts. They may suggest hormone treatments that are safe and short-term to ease the symptoms, but this should only be done under the guidance of a vet. 7. Think about a temporary split. If you have more than one cat, you might want to temporarily separate the one that is in heat from the others to avoid fights or forced mating. 8. Keep an eye out for signs of sickness. Watch out for your cat's health when she is in heat. When a cat is in heat, she can sometimes get an infection in her urine tract or have other health problems. If you see any signs of illness, you should talk to your doctor right away. 9. Don't rush things. During breeding season, a cat's heat cycle can last for a week or more, and can happen again every few weeks. Don't forget that your cat's behavior during this time is mostly caused by hormones, so be patient. It's important to remember that these things can help with the signs of a cat in heat. But the best way to solve the problem for good is to spay or neuter the cat. This gets rid of the heat cycle and has other health and behavior benefits for your cat as well. Talk to your vet to find out what's best for your pet. In conclusion, cat owners need to know when their cats go into heat, so they can give them the right care and stop unwanted babies. When a female cat reaches sexual maturity, which usually happens between 5 and 9 months of age, she goes through a period called heat. During this time, she acts in a certain way. As a responsible pet owner, you should pay attention to your cat's needs during this time. Whether that means giving it more attention, thinking about spaying it, or keeping it inside to prevent unwanted births.